Greetings.
And Trahan's videos might look simple, but they are literally engineered to keep you watching till the very end. Not through fancy editing, but with brilliant storytelling. I studied his videos and found 7 storytelling frameworks he uses in every video, which you can also use. And the last one is so powerful, it literally feels like illegal mind control. Starting with number 1.
I owe my friend Isaac a favor. His brother David lives across the world in Singapore, and they haven't seen each other in 10 years. Isaac asked me to deliver David a letter and his favorite cereal from the US, but going on this adventure of riding in every single class on the most expensive airline in the world would be insane.
Okay, we're just few seconds in the video and we know what and why of this video, right? The what is that we are going to try every seat class of an exclusive plane. And why is such a genius idea? Because he connected a mindless thing to try every single seat class with an emotional favor for his friends, trying to reunite two brothers who lives far away. He again tapped into something which is universal, reuniting with someone we really love. It's kind of a feeling we all feel sometime or the other in our lifetime. It's no longer a seat review now. It feels like an emotional connection. By the way guys, if you haven't met it, I'm Rohit. For the last 3 years, I've been working with some of India's top brands and creators, helping them bring their wild ideas to life through a mix of creative direction, strategic video editing, helping them get millions of views. And that's why I know it.
I packed my bags, made my way to the airport, and boarded my first connecting flight to Singapore. On my way to my seat, I did pass through business class. I'm not sure how you can even call this a seat. I also passed through basic plus. Look at that leg room. That's gonna be fun. And finally made it to my first seat of the video.
Now that is a classic example of foreshadowing, just to give you a glimpse and tease of what's going to come next in the video, so you stay till the end.
Basic.
Now if you carefully see the editing style that he's doing, right, it's very minimal. There are awkward pauses, no fancy transition, minimal effects. I don't think we are even using After Effects. And honestly, looking at those animations, it feels like your friend would have done it, right? Which makes the whole video relatable to you, and it doesn't feel like you're watching an aspirational kind of figure.
I am so excited to go to Singapore. I remember when I was in like 8th grade and we had a textbook that said Singapore is one of the nicest countries in the world, and ever since then I have dreamed of going, but I did not think I would be going to deliver a 40-year-old man cereal. Regardless, it's happening. I'm gonna do some work and I will catch up with you soon.
Notice how he instantly made an emotional connect with a story that from his childhood days he wanted to go to Singapore. Now it gives you one more motive to watch the video till he reaches Singapore, just to see how does it feel for him. And it also gives you a massive payoff watching other people's dream come alive. Now this is the kind of pattern you'll see throughout the video. He'll try to move the story from point A to point B with the ultimate goal that viewers watch the video till the end. It's an amazing way to drive this story forward and incentivize people along this journey. Genius, bro.
Why are you guys so motivated to give such good service?
We love our guests, so we always give our best.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Shantae.
Where are you from?
South Africa.
Really?
Me and her.
How are you? So my name is Jocelyn, and the reason why I give good service is because I love people, I love socializing with the people, and I love Etihad. You got this, Ryan!
Bro. Too good, bro. The animation is too good. Now this is something that I really like. Ryan intentionally make these people part of his mission by making them cheer for him.
You got this, Ryan!
You got this, Ryan!
Now it feels less like a vlog and more like a community. Again, it's one of the way to reinforce the idea into the viewer's mind that we are on a mission and these people are cheering for us. So, too good, bro.
That's when I saw something that made me want to puke. Customs. Every country has different policies for what you can and can't bring into the country. And in terms of categories, food is one of the most regulated items. Let's see if this cereal gets through. Now for customs? For like food? Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Just for the record, that flight was awesome.
Now this is a good way. See how animation plays an important role. Now if you carefully see, यहाँ पे animation का objective is not to reset their visual fatigue, but progress the story. That actually signals viewer into thinking that we are actually moving ahead in the story. Also reminds us of the bigger mission that is to try different class seats in a rare plane.
And got ready to board my flight to Singapore. I'm honestly just excited to fly on this airline again, especially because the cereal is still safe.
Now this is interesting. We have a main mission that is trying different seat class in a plane, but along with that we have different side quests. So for example, delivering cereal to Isaac, We also have different checkpoints, his school dream of going to Singapore, and at the same time sneaking the food through customs. Because if you remove these mini missions, seat reviews might feel repetitive. You'll get a singular emotion, but just by adding this mini mission, now we are going on a roller coaster of emotion. At one time we might feel fear, tense, emotional, joy, and different kind of emotion along the way. That's what keeps the video dynamic. The challenge definitely gives us the structure of the video, but this mini mission is something what makes us care about the video and connects the whole story.
We'll probably start right now. In a world where two brothers live in separate countries. Does this feel epic? I don't know. Can you guys just comment, wow, right now is epic? There's only one man equipped to unite them. It's me, Ryan. Yeah, so I got a taxi to David's place and met him.
Now, if you notice this pattern carefully, throughout the video, he keeps reminding us about the mission.
But I did not think I would be going to deliver a cereal. I've got the cereal with me.
Because at a place jahan pe we have multiple side quests along the way, it's very easy to get distracted. And this mission reminders pulls us back into the video, that why we are watching this till the end. It's a gentle way of Ryan saying, you're on a mission here, don't leave this video yet.
David, I flew all the way here because of what's in this box.
All right, I'm ready to see it.
Okay, all right, you wanna close your eyes? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, crackling oat bran. Dude, yes, this is a great gift. I hope this box of crackling oat bran brings you back to those lovely childhood memories. Eat it slowly because like all the best things in life, we don't fully understand how good things are until they're gone. Miss you, brother, Isaac.
Now, Isaac has no idea about this part, but David's got a favor to ask as well. Deliver a letter back to Isaac and give him a Singaporean snack.
Now things are getting interesting here. Did you guys notice what's actually happening in the video? It's never that Trahan is telling the whole story in one go. It's always a slow reveal of the information, one by one. Now at first we thought that we only have to deliver it to Isaac. But now midway through the journey, we get to know that Isaac also has a letter for David. Now if Trahan would have told us a story upfront, we all would have been a passive viewers. We would just watch him finish a task from point A to point B. But now because he is revealing the information one by one, we are becoming the active viewers, discovering the journey alongside him. Now it turns a task being executed into a story being revealed into real time. It keeps the story fresh, makes it unpredictable and emotionally engaging as well. So too good, bro.
And while I was doing some top secret work in my bedroom, I got a notification that said, guys, they have Joyride. Isn't that crazy? Okay, I asked them to put that there. You may be wondering, Ryan, what were you absolutely locked in on your computer for the past few days? Well, I love doing work on airplanes, and I have been spending some much needed time on Joyride's Shopify.
Bro. Too good. What a beautiful way to make the plot twist a brand integration. Now throughout the video, he keeps saying that he was working on a top secret mission.
And open up my laptop for some top secret work. Bit more work on my secret project. And while I was doing some top secret work, no, but really, this is so cool.
Only near the end, we realized that he was working on building his Shopify site. So if you think about it, he created an open loop, planted questions in our head and only pays it off once we are deep into the story. That curiosity is something that keeps us watching till the end. And now that I know that it was brand integration, it feels more like a payoff and not sound like a post integration. Amazing, boss. This is totally amazing.
Here we have a delivery all the way from Singapore from your brother David. This is very exciting. David loved his gift, but will Isaac love his?
Isaac, bro, I miss you. I miss all the good times we've had and your humor. I hope everything is going well in Austin. A great quote I learned recently is a goal without a deadline is just a dream. Remember, it's important that we are purpose-driven, so create a vision, mission, and goals to get where you want to be. Then put your head down and grind relentlessly. You will succeed. David.
Now coming back to the most powerful storytelling framework of this video. What if I told you that Trahan's vlog isn't just vlog at all? It's actually structured like a game. Every seed class is a new level, just like a story-driven video game. There are boss fights like custom, side quests like delivering cereals, sneaking food, emotional cutscenes like a letter delivery, and even the sponsor feels like a plot twist in the story. When the mission is complete, it's more than just a story and it's an experience. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And obviously if this video gets 200 likes, I'll keep on making these kind of videos. Till then, bye-bye.